Make passive income with less than $1,000? Welcome back to Ace Wealth Strategies. We're your trusted guide in the world of finance, wealth, and money. Your go-to channel for unlocking the secrets of building wealth. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your financial game, we've got you covered. From beginners to seasoned investors, we're here to help everyone navigate the path to financial freedom. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of passive income, showing you how to turn less than $1,000 into a money-making machine. Get ready to explore some of the most innovative and accessible strategies for building your passive income portfolio. From the stock market to digital assets, we'll guide you through the process of making your money work for you, even while you sleep. Stay tuned as we reveal how to start with a modest sum and grow it into a substantial income stream. Tune in and let's turn that financial dream into an exciting reality, one step at a time. So, let's set the stage. You've managed to save up $1,000. Now, instead of letting it sit idle, you're looking to invest it wisely to generate passive income. But where do you start? The options can be overwhelming, but fear not. We're here to simplify the journey. The stock market. First up, let's talk about the stock market. It's not just for the wolves of Wall Street. Even with less than $1,000, you can get a piece of the pie. Consider starting with dividend-paying stocks. These are shares of companies that pay you just for holding them, and with the magic of compounding, reinvesting those dividends can turn your initial investment into a growing snowball of wealth. Now, let's explore the power of micro-investing. Apps like Acorns or Robinhood allow you to invest your spare change or small amounts of money into diversified portfolios. This means you can start investing with the price of a daily coffee, and over time, these little investments can add up to a significant sum. So, whether it's through dividends or micro-investments, the stock market offers accessible paths to grow your wealth. It's about playing the long game and watching your small investments bloom. Quick break. If you're enjoying this and want more tips, here's a small ask. Click subscribe, give us a like, and turn on notifications. This way, you won't miss out on any of our helpful videos. Ready for more? Let's go! Moving on from the bustling stock exchanges to the more personal touch of peer-to-peer lending. Next on the list is peer-to-peer lending. This is where you can act like the bank, lending out your money to individuals or small businesses online. With platforms designed for this very purpose, you can start with small amounts and receive payments with interest. It's a great way to diversify and get a steady flow of income. Imagine being a part of someone's dream to start a business or consolidate debt, all while earning a return on your investment. It's a win-win, and with the right due diligence, peer-to-peer lending can be a rewarding addition to your passive income strategy. Peer-to-peer lending not only diversifies your portfolio, but also connects you with the personal stories of those you're investing in. It's finance with a human touch. From the digital handshake of peer-to-peer lending, we pivot to the solid ground of real estate investment trust. But what if you're more interested in real estate? With less than $1,000, traditional property investment might be out of reach. However, real estate investment trusts, or REITs, are here to save the day. These companies own income-generating real estate, and you can buy shares of REITs just like stocks. They're required by law to distribute the majority of their profits as dividends to shareholders, which means regular income for you. With REITs, you can have a slice of the real estate market without the hassle of being a landlord. It's like owning a portfolio of properties that span across shopping malls, office buildings, and apartments, all from the comfort of your home. REITs democratize real estate investment, giving you the chance to reap the benefits of property ownership without the direct challenges. It's real estate investing made easy and accessible. Hey there! Taking a quick pause from our wealth-building insights. If you're finding value in this video and want to stay updated with all our latest strategies, do us a favor, hit that subscribe button below, give us a like, and don't forget to ring that notification bell. By doing so, you'll be the first to know when we drop fresh content designed to help you maximize your financial potential. All right, let's jump back in and continue our journey to financial success. As we navigate from the tangible to the virtual, let's delve into the potential of digital assets. Don't overlook the digital realm. With the rise of content creation, you can invest in creating a blog, YouTube channel, or even an online course. While it requires upfront work, the long-term payoff can be significant. With the right niche and dedication, these platforms can become a substantial source of passive income. Your voice, your passion, your knowledge can all be monetized. Whether it's through ad revenue, sponsorships, or sales of your own products, the digital world offers endless possibilities for those willing to put in the effort to build something valuable. In the digital space, your creativity and expertise are the currencies. Invest them wisely, and you could see a return that far exceeds your initial stake. And now, let's switch gears to the dynamic and ever-evolving landscape of cryptocurrencies. And let's not forget about the burgeoning world of cryptocurrencies. While it's a more volatile option, staking your crypto can earn you rewards similar to interest in a bank account. By supporting the network, you receive a portion of the transaction fees as a reward. It's a cutting-edge way to put your money to work. Whether it's through staking, yield farming, or simply holding a cryptocurrency that appreciates in value over time, the crypto market offers a high-risk but potentially high-reward avenue for the tech-savvy investor. Cryptocurrency is the frontier of the financial world, offering innovative ways to earn. With the right strategy, you could be at the forefront of the next big financial wave. Today, we've navigated through a variety of passive income avenues, from the stock market to digital platforms. Remember, the key is to start small, reinvest your earnings, and watch your portfolio grow. Turning less than $1,000 into a passive income stream is not just a dream, it's a very achievable reality. With the strategies we've shared, you're now equipped to take the first step towards building your wealth. It's all about making smart choices and using the resources available to you. If our episode resonated with you, show some love with a thumbs up and share the wealth of knowledge. Let's journey together, turning challenges into stepping stones. Until next time, stay informed, stay inspired, and let's ace the financial game.